Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download nationwide bill pay for policy renewals step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for the nationwide website. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on login to access your account. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Click the sign in button to log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the billing section of your dashboard. Look for the option labeled Bill Pay or Payments. Click on Bill Pay to proceed to the payment options. Find the section for Policy Renewals. Select the policy you wish to renew from the list provided. Review the details of your policy renewal. If everything looks correct, click on Renew Now or a similar prompt. Choose your payment method from the options available. Enter the required payment details for your selected method. Review all the information once more for accuracy. Click the Submit button to finalize the payment. Wait for a confirmation message to appear on your screen. Once confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your policy renewal. Log out of your account once you have completed the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.